Learning how to clean the mind so as to blanket, to allow it to be open, to be fresh, is an essential element of gaining focus and opening yourself up to feel that higher self showing you, leading you, and guiding you. But when there's too much static or noise, too much thinking and worry, too much fear or guilt inside, then we get collapsed. Our state gets destroyed and we become constricted. And so this, what I call the shower purification process, you don't have to do it in the shower, but it's something that I suggest that you learn to do every day before you go to bed, or at any time you find yourself just muddled and cluttered with all sorts of worries and fears and thinking. And it's a very simple process, part of one of the keys for attention development, to be able to forgive, to release, to let go. So what we do is simply this, and you can do it in the shower, you can do it anywhere you want, is you stand comfortably. You take a deep breath and you look inside with these words. I review the day that I've had and all of my thinking. And I look at these thoughts that I had and ask my higher power, the Holy Spirit, God, or whatever word you use, to join me now. So as I review the thoughts of my day, I invite my higher power to look at them with me. And please, as I briefly, quickly process them through my mind, reviewing the thoughts and experiences of my day, higher power, look with me upon the day that I had and all the thoughts that I had that you wouldn't have had. Purify them from my mind. And look at all the words that I said today that you wouldn't have said, and purify them from my mind. And look at all the actions that I've taken today that you wouldn't have taken, and purify them from my mind. And as I forgive, release, and purify my mind of whatever unaligned thoughts, words, or actions that I've said, thought, or done, I cleanse myself of any mistakes that were made. And now I take the second step. And higher power, God, Jesus, Buddha, Allah, whatever word you use, higher consciousness. Now, please place in my mind the thoughts that I didn't have that you would have had. Place into my mind the words you would have said that I didn't. And place those actions inside me that you would have done that I didn't. Guide me and direct me. Allow me to be purified and open so that I am aligning myself with you to be in charge, to guide and direct me. Thank you for this opportunity.